Thank you so much, Karina, to grace this evening with your presence. We are so delighted to have you here with us. You are not just a renowned Bollywood actress, but a style icon, a name to reckon with. How do you see the synergy between Glorio and your personal brand?
Well, Percy, thank you for having me here. I'm excited to be a part of this wonderful event. I think the connection between Glorio and me lies in the pursuit of excellence. Just as I have always wanted to be the best, I've always strived for perfection in my work. I think Glorio is dedicated to offering good quality products in the interior industry. So I think it's a natural fit.
Absolutely.
And I'm absolutely very, very proud and happy to be associated with them.
Absolutely. And once again, we are delighted to have you on board with us. What inspires you about Glorio's products and what makes them different from other brands?
I think Glorio's commitment to innovation and quality is truly inspiring. Their range of decorative surfaces, which I've just seen right now, and their interior solutions, I think it reflects a dedication to aesthetics and functionality, which I find absolutely remarkable. It's all about transforming spaces into art, and I'm thrilled to see how easily and how quickly it can be, done instantly. I think that's also the USP. So uh, I'm really, really actually, I was shocked to see because, they just showed me, the family just showed me that how actually they can install a space in literally 24 hours. So I think transforming an office space, your bedroom, a home, so quickly with such, I think, beautiful walls, I think it's wonderful.
You loved it. We can feel the vibes then. Other than that, Karina, we would love to know what message would you like to convey to Glorio's viewers?
To all the designers and esteemed clients of Glorio, I'd like to say trust in the brand's excellence. Your choices in interior design are an expression of your personality and style. Glorio provides you with the perfect canvas to create spaces that resonate with your vision. Embrace innovation, explore possibilities, and let your spaces reflect your uniqueness.
And it was so wonderful to have you here with us. It was indeed a remarkable session when we get to know what you think about Glorio, and I'm sure our viewers gonna love it. Thank you.